Welcome to Qnibot.com. In this video, we will instruct you to use our Instagram auto appeal to appeal or unlock disabled Instagram accounts. To buy this software, you visit Qnibot.com, then click on software here. Select Instagram. Then you click on Instagram auto appeal. Choose the package that you want to buy. For example, I select 1 year, then click Add to Cart. After that, you click on your card, then click Checkout to buy the software. After making payment, you click on this icon next to your username, then select License Key. You will see your license management table. This is the license key that you will use later. Then you need to click on download button here to download the software. Then you click on this link to download the software. Next, with the user agents, you click on this link and download one of these user agent files. So these are the downloaded files. This is the software and this is the user agent file. To install the software, you right click on this file, then select extract here. Open this folder, then double click on this file to install the software. Next, in this box, you select run now if you want to run the bot immediately, or you select schedule application if you want to set a schedule for this bot. In this video, I will select run now. Then click OK. This is the interface of our Instagram auto-appeal software. Then you click on General Settings here to see the sessions that you need to set up. First, license key session. When you buy the software, we provide you with the license key already. So just back to your Qnibot account and click copy, click OK, then paste the copy license key into the session. Next, run session. Save the number of times that you want the bot to run successfully. For example, you put 1000 here. The bot will stop automatically after running 1000 times successfully. Next, track session saves the number of tabs you want the bot to run at the same time. For example, you put 5 here. The bot will open 5 tabs with different IPs and run 5 tabs simultaneously. The number of tracks you can run depends on your computer configuration. The stronger your computer is, the more tracks you can run. Next, folder cookies session. You need to create a new folder named Cookies. This is the created folder. Then copy this path to paste it into this folder cookie session. The bot will save cookies of Instagram accounts in the first launching in this folder cookies. Therefore, it can load these cookies for the next run without launching again. Next, at Get User Agent Action, you choose one of 3 options: from file, online public key, or online private key. If you want to use the user agent file we provided when you buy the software, you select from file at Get User Agent session here. Next, you download one of the provided user agent files. You download one of these files. I downloaded it already. Then you click on this icon. Choose the downloaded user agent file. Then click Open. If you want to use user agent from the public key, it is free. You select online public key at Get User Agent session here. In this case, you can run a maximum number of 3 tracks. If you want to run unlimited tracks with user agent online, you select online private key at Get User Agent session. Next, you visit Proxy.com to buy browser fingerprint. Then you get the key and paste it into online private key session. Next, at Qnibot API key session, you need to create an account on Qnibot website. Then you top up your account. Next, you copy your key here to paste it into this session. Next, with avatar session, you need to create a new folder to save the images or photos you want to use to update the avatar. For example, this is the folder that I created. These are the photos or images I want to use. Copy this path and paste it into this session. So you have just finished all general sessions. Next, you click on Account Settings tab, then set up sessions here. First, Proxy source session. You select one of three options here. In case you want to use proxies from file, you select from file at proxy source session. Next, you need to set up file proxy session too. You create a new text file to save proxy in format IP:port or IP:port, proxy username, proxy password. For example, these are the proxies that I want to use. Each proxy is on one line. Then click to save. Then at File Proxy session, you select Lines from File, then click on this icon, double-click on the created text file proxy. If you select from Data at Proxy source session, you need to import proxy with Instagram account. At Import Data session here, we will instruct you later in this video. If you don't have proxy to use, you can select No Proxy at Proxy source session here. The bot will use the IP connected to your PC. If you log into many Instagram accounts with one IP address only, your accounts can be banned. Therefore, you should use proxy. You can visit proxy.com to run the best proxy to run this bot. Next, email source session. When Instagram requires email verification, our bot will choose email from the source you selected at this session. In case you select from Data at Email source session, you need to import the email account's information with the data input here. We will instruct you later. In case you select from temp mail at Email source session, you need to select the temp mail site at Choose temp mail session here. These temp mail sites provide free 10-minute alive emails. Next, I will instruct you to import data here. You click on this icon, then you will see the Database Manager dialog box. There are two ways for you to import data. The first way is you import data manually. To do this, you click on this icon, select Add Group. Then you type the group name into this session. For example, I enter tutorial. Then click OK. Then you click on the created group. Click on this icon, select Add Item. Then you enter the username of Instagram account into this session. Next is Instagram account password. Next, you enter the FA code if any. Then you click OK. In case you select from Data at Proxy source session, you need to enter the proxy information into these fields too. The first is proxy or IP, then the port, then proxy username if any. proxy password if any. Moreover, if you select from data at email short session, you need to import the email information into this session too. If you use Gmail accounts or Hotmail accounts to verify Instagram accounts, you need to turn on to FA create app password for the imported accounts and use the app password instead of the real password. For example, I enter email address of a Hotmail account here to verify Instagram account. Next is the app password. Then with the IMAP server and IMAP port, you can search this one on Google, then you enter the IMAP server here. For example, this is the IMAP server of our account, then the IMAP port. Then you click OK. You can see the account information have been imported here. Similarly, you can import other accounts. Another way for you to import bank data is you need to create a new text file. Then you import the corresponding parameters into this text file. You separate the parameters by comma. For example, I enter the username of Instagram account, then comma, the password of Instagram account, then comma 2FA code. With proxy bot, proxy user, and proxy password, from data at proxy source, you need to enter here. In case you do not select from data at proxy source, you can enter the comma instead this parameter. For example, one comma for proxy, then comma for port, for proxy user, proxy password, and one comma for phone. Next, if you select from data at email source, you need to enter the email you want to use to verify Instagram account here. Then comma the password or app password, comma the IMAP server, comma the IMAP port. Similarly, you can enter thousands of accounts here. Each account is on one line. Then click to save. Then on this dialog box, you click on Convert, select Import CSV, click on this icon. Then select the created text file of accounts. Then click OK. You can see the information of accounts had been imported here. The default name of imported group is CSV. You can click on this icon to change the name. For example, I enter tutorial 2. Then click OK. Next, you close the dialog box. Then select the group of accounts you want to run an input data session. For example, I select tutorial group. After that, you click on SMS settings. If you want to verify phone for Instagram accounts, you select yes of this session. Otherwise, you select no. In case you select yes and verify phone session, you need to select the OTP service size you want to use. At OTP service, there are 4 sizes. These 3 sizes for Vietnamese OTP and the first one for international OTP service. If you don't want to use these sizes, you can select other SMS. Then you select the other size at other SMS service. For example, I select filesim.net. Next, you create an account on the selected OTP site, then paste OTP API key into this session. Next, you select the country and OTP country session. Then you enter the phone call area of the selected country. After that, you click OK to run this software. After running the bot, you can back to the Database Manager dialog box to check the status of account. The bot will also update suspended into status column with accounts that had been appealed. A few days later, you can run the bot again to check accounts. The bot will update good with accounts that had been appealed successfully. These demonstrated above are instructions on how to use our Instagram auto appeal to appeal disabled Instagram accounts automatically. You can visit Qnibot.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.